Hey, so in today's video, I'm talking about the QuickBooks Accountant certification. Now, my goal in this video is to walk you through the QuickBooks certification. Also, if you're new here, welcome. My name is Bryce, and I started my bookkeeping business in 2015. And I had to learn how to use QuickBooks and bookkeeping in order to support my clients. Now, on this channel, I like to share the good, the bad, and the ugly, and really showing you the behind the scenes what running a bookkeeping or an accountancy business actually is really like, so you can confidently build your business. Now, I have some notes on my computer screen, so I'm gonna be looking all over the place. I'm gonna be sharing my screen in a couple minutes. So if you don't see me looking at the camera, it's not because I don't like you. It's just because I'm really trying to hit these value points to make sure that this is the best it possibly can be. Also, if you want some help, starting or growing your bookkeeping or accounting business, click the link inside the description to book a call with me to see if I can help you inside of our mentorship program and see if it's a good fit for you to help you reach your goals. So, anyways. QuickBooks is one of the industry leaders when it comes to accounting software. Now, both small and medium-sized business owners use it to track their finances, process their payroll, pay invoices, and keep that financial rhythm within their company. Now, by earning your QuickBooks certification, you're not only demonstrating that you have core bookkeeping and accounting skills, but you're also building and improving upon your competency within QuickBooks. Now, if you own your own practice, completing the QuickBooks certification, and then going on to complete the Pro Advisor certification, this can land you a free listing on the QuickBooks directory, which creates, almost, I think it's about 250,000 leads worldwide each year. You also get free access to QuickBooks Online, payroll, and time tracking, along with unlimited phone chat and email support. Now, the QuickBooks certification gives you access to great marketing resources to distinguish your firm, get leads, and build your brand online. Now, within that package, QuickBooks actually gives you certification badges to let prospects know that you are an expert. Now, when I say expert, it doesn't mean you have to have 1,000,000 years of experience. It just means that you are experienced with it and you have a above average amount of understanding of the software, right? Don't get caught up that people are like, hey, are you an expert? And you're like, well, I just got started. It's okay. Everyone starts somewhere. Now, they'll give you a discounted email marketing, credits to Constant Contact. They'll give you discounted Squarespace website builders and Pro Advisor merch. So what are the requirements of completing the QuickBooks certification? So you can get certified across the entire package of QuickBooks products, which includes Online, QuickBooks Online Advanced, QuickBooks Desktop, Enterprise, and QuickBooks Online Payroll. Now, there are no specific requirements for earning this QuickBooks certification, and if you're just starting out on QuickBooks, you can use the QuickBooks training to help learn all about the different skills that are needed to help you prepare for your first exam. Now, if you're more well-versed in QuickBooks, you don't really have to go through the training. You can really just hop straight ahead and just take the test. Now, after receiving your QuickBooks Online certification, you can then earn QuickBooks Online Advanced certification. Now, this certification comprises of an 8-hour self-paced course and teaches advanced features like job costing, inventory, and complex problem solving. Now, each year, the certificate holders do have to go and pass a short recertification exam. It's not really that intense, but it's just just recertification. You just have to do it consistently. So if you're wondering what are the skills you'll learn by taking the certification covers 5 essential components. So these include online administration, sales and money in, suppliers and money out, basic accounting, and reporting. So you're going to learn about setting up a company and identifying the automated tasks. You'll then learn about recording invoices and sales receipts and managing payments. Next up, you'll come on to activating expense tracking by connecting bank and credit card accounts. After that, you're going to be really setting up and running payroll and understanding QuickBooks financial reports. So one question I get asked is QuickBooks certification worth it? Yes. So many companies use QuickBooks as their accounting software, and actually by earning the QuickBooks certification, you're validating your knowledge, and you can boost your career or even your personal practice, right? So understanding QuickBooks at this level means that you can really get the most out of the software and use it to maximize the results for your clients. Now, all for your company, okay? So without further ado, let's get into how to complete your Pro Advisor certification, okay? So in order to start and find the right place, because it is a little bit tricky to find the accountant's version, it is kind of nested in the bottom, because there's a couple different ways to find it. I'm just gonna guide you how to go through it. So you need to set up an accountant's profile in QuickBooks and not just a regular account. And then also, I'm gonna start screen sharing now as well. So first things first, you can just Google QuickBooks Online Accountant to show you exactly how to find it. Okay, and then so I'm gonna go and click on the sign up for free option. So I paused my screen for a second, but I just filled in the details. So it's just asked me for like my email address, my first name, my last name, my phone number, and my password. So I'm just gonna like click continue because I blurred it out so you can't hack me. But let's just continue, okay? So lots of people get stuck at this point because QuickBooks will ask you for the name of your accounting firm. If you don't have a practice yet, or if you haven't, like, you know, if you're completing the certification to like add to like maybe like your personal like CV, and you don't own your own practice, then it doesn't have to be like an official business name. You can just use this box to tell QuickBooks like what you want to call your firm. So you can just use like Bryce Loves QuickBooks or just your own name. You can use, let's say your name's Rachel, right? Rachel Loves QuickBooks, etc. So this is what your online accounting dashboard will look like. And so we're just going to dismiss what's in here. And if you are an accountant and you have to do your own practice, this is where we'll be able to see like all of your clients. But in order to get to the right place, we're just going to go over here to like the Pro Advisor. Now, we're going to click on Pro Advisor Training. Okay, so when we're in the Training tab, this is what it looks like. Also, don't forget that QuickBooks does updates this and like they update that, and like only like the screen looks like at today's date, so it might look different when you watch this video. If you're watching this video like 2 years in the future, it's okay. Like, don't panic if it's changed since then. Like, if you're in the training section of the Pro Advisor tab, you're in the right place. Okay, so as you can see here with the different tabs, we've got the training homepage, which you can always come back to even when you are certified. It just tells you like what's new in QuickBooks. It can tell you exactly like where you're at in your training journey or how long you have until like you need to get recertified in QuickBooks. So if we head to the certification hub, this will tell you exactly where you're at. And so, you know, as you can see, it's going to show you that you can actually choose between the self-paced learning or online sessions. And so if you're brand new to QuickBooks, which I'm going to assume that you are, like if you're not, you can just jump the timestamps in this video just straight ahead and like go, you know, like take the certified section, right? However, I'm just going to show you around. So as you can kind of see, QuickBooks is telling us that our plan of action is to do some self-paced training. And again, it knows that we haven't done anything yet, so it's just pointing us in the right direction. Then we'll do it to kind of get prepared and get certified, and then we'll take the exam. Okay, so within your path, you can see that QuickBooks is helping you by breaking down the certification and the learning into different sections. So we've got different solutions, and we're getting them like started. Now, first we got sales and customers, then we got like expenses and vendors, banking, reporting, managing your work team, and your clients, and basically how to complete the year end. So if I just click into one of these to show you, you can see like within each section, it just gives you a roadmap and it tells you like how long it's going to take to complete like that e-learning, which again makes it super accessible in terms of like jumping in and like jumping out, because it's tracking exactly where you're at within each piece. And so if you're going to complete this training like start to finish, I would definitely recommend it, since it does sort of flow in like more of like an intuitive order. And so I would recommend starting at the top and like working yourself the whole way through. Again, at the top, QuickBooks is really, really good at giving us like a percentage and letting us know like how far through the training we are. And then once you've done that and like you've got up to like 100% and you're prepared for your exam, there are some parts that tell you how to get certified, and like the topics are going to come up in the exam, and you can actually practice with some sample questions if you're like a bit nervous, and then you can just simply take the exam. So it's just one click of a button, and it's like worth letting you know that there is no time limit on the exam. So don't feel like you have to like rush yourself or like time yourself. Okay, you just need to complete the exam section by section. Now you've got 3 attempts to pass the exam, and once you complete all the sections, like you can submit, and then you can like you just submit it, and like you just need to pass at least like 80%. Okay, so that was how you complete your QuickBooks certification. The certification has been really important for both like myself and like many of our students in our programs. So like some of our mentees have gotten like huge deals from the leads that like Pro Advisor sends. Now like one of my students, he actually got like a $40,000 cleanup, and so it was like $40,000 cleanup to like $3,000 a month for like the monthly work from like one lead alone off Pro Advisor. So like there are some large clients on there. There are some small clients, large clients. You just have to learn how to kind of like navigate navigate it, right? And so I really want to encourage people, because I know how big like an opportunity is within your accounting and bookkeeping business to be able to go and get this. So if you're applying for clients and like having this can really boost your chances of getting the client. So let me know in the comments if you found this video helpful, or if you found it helpful, like please let me know, and don't forget to give this video like a thumbs up. Also, if you want some help starting or growing your business, I encourage you to check out our mentorship program. So like we walk you through from like A to Z of learning QuickBooks, how to do bookkeeping, how to price your services, how to do marketing to get better clients and great clients, what to say on the consultation call, and how to really manage your time and workflows. So as you get more clients, you're not feeling like you're overwhelmed, not feeling like you're swamped. Okay. So if that could be helpful for you, I would just encourage you to click the link inside the description, either above or below the video, to book a call with myself to see if we can help you. Thank you so much for spending some time with me today. I really hope to see you again soon in the next video. Take it easy. Talk to you soon.